Tammy Slaton was finally ready to celebrate the biggest victory of her life, a moment she fought for through sweat, pain, and resilience. After years of battling life-threatening obesity, she crossed a milestone that fans had been cheering for since season 1 of 1000 lb Sisters, her skin removal surge. This life-changing procedure symbolized not only her extreme physical transformation but also an emotional and psychological rebirth. But instead of the spotlight staying on Tammy's hard-earned triumph, a tidal wave of controversy came crashing down on the Slaton family, this time involving Amy S. Slaton and her spiraling legal drama. Just when the sisters could have basked in shared happiness, the joy was overshadowed by scandal. And fans are furious. Tammy's surgery journey wasn't just another medical procedure. It was the culmination of years of tears, broken promises, hospital emergencies, near-death experiences, and finally, redemption. She stunned viewers earlier this year by maintaining a consistent weight below 400 lbs, which made her eligible for the excess skin removal procedure. After months of consultations with Dr. Smith and her bariatric team, she finally got the green light. Viewers had been anxiously waiting to see if Tammy could beat the odds, and she proved them wrong in the best way. Tammy, who once couldn't walk unassisted, now posted joyful TikTok videos and short clips of her post-surgery glow. Her smile was brighter, her confidence through the roof. Fans flooded her social media with love, support, and admiration for how far she had come. But the celebration didn't last long. Almost simultaneously, headlines broke that Amy Slaton, Tammy's younger sister and co-star, was entangled in serious legal trouble. Reports revealed Amy had been arrested in connection with alleged drug possession, with rumors swirling about court dates, potential charges, and even CPS involvement due to her two young sons, Gage and Glenn. Suddenly, the narrative shifted. From Tammy's victory to Amy's downfall. Fans couldn't believe how quickly the tone changed. Instead of celebrating Tammy's health milestone, media outlets were running scandalous stories about Amy's arrest and ongoing custody issues. Social media turned into a battlefield, with fans venting their frustration and heartbreak over how Amy's actions stole the spotlight from Tammy. According to multiple sources close to the family, Tammy was devastated by the timing. She had remained quiet on Amy's drama, but insiders suggest she felt like her moment was unfairly hijacked. She'd waited years to have her success acknowledged. Tammy's skin removal surgery wasn't just cosmetic, it symbolized freedom. She had been confined by her body for decades, missing out on relationships, career opportunities, and basic mobility. The surgery was her second chance at life. And yet, the focus now was on whether Amy would lose custody of her children or face jail time. The emotional toll this took on Tammy reportedly pushed her into isolation again, with fans noticing she temporarily paused posting on TikTok following the drama's explosion. Meanwhile, TLC producers were reportedly scrambling behind the scenes. With season 7 already facing delays, insiders say the network had planned a special two-part arc focused entirely on Tammy's post-surgery recovery. There were even plans to highlight her first time traveling outside Kentucky since the procedure, meeting other weight loss warriors and even potential why dating again. But with Amy's legal battle growing uglier by the week, TLC's narrative focus may be forced to shift, dragging the show's tone back into dark territory. Critics are worried this might become yet another season bogged down by real-life messiness rather than uplifting recovery stories. Longtime fans of the show took to Reddit and X, formerly Twitter, to express their disappointment. One post that gained traction read, "Tammy deserves better. Her skin surgery is the happiest moment in this entire series and now all we're seeing is Amy's mugshot. Not cool." Another said, "Amy ruined this for Tammy. She's been supportive all along, and now that it's Tammy's time to shine, she's stuck cleaning up her sister's mess again." The frustration is widespread, and it's fueling speculation about whether the sisters' relationship is truly as strong as TLC has made it seem in recent seasons. Amy, who had once been seen as the more responsible sibling, balancing motherhood, marriage, and weight loss, now appears to be struggling to keep her life together. Since her split with estranged husband Michael Halterman, things seem to be spiraling. Fans had already picked up on erratic behavior in her social media posts, from cryptic captions to emotional breakdowns. With the legal issues coming to light, questions are rising about how much stress she was truly under and whether her downward spiral was preventable. More shockingly, reports suggest that authorities were alerted due to a welfare check after neighbors raised concerns, which could indicate the situation was worse than initially believed. In contrast, Tammy has been on an upward trajectory. After years of being seen as the difficult sister, the one who lashed out, broke promises, and gave up on herself, she has become the underdog everyone now roots for. Her post-surgery pictures reveal not just a slimmer frame, but a transformed mindset. She's visibly happier, more present, and even exploring creative outlets like makeup tutorials and self-love content. Fans have praised her for turning her pain into purpose, which is why the current shift in attention feels especially unfair. It's as though Tammy finally climbed the mountain, only for someone to plant a distraction right at the summit. Family dynamics are reportedly tense. While Tammy hasn't publicly commented on Amy's arrest or legal drama, sources suggest there's tension between the sisters behind the scenes. Amy is said to be embarrassed and withdrawn, reportedly cancelling plans with friends and even skipping out on filming commitments. Tammy, on the other hand, was supposedly relying on this moment to launch a possible spin-off or even a memoir chronicling her transformation journey. With Amy's drama exploding across headlines, those opportunities now hang in the balance. TLC may be wary of investing heavily in Tammy's individual story if viewers are distracted by Amy's issues. There's also concern from fans about the kids, Gage and Glenn. Amy's young sons have been seen in almost every season of 1000 LB Sisters, and viewers have become attached to their development. Now with rumors that Child Protective Services may be involved, many are questioning whether Amy's priorities have completely collapsed. Tammy, who once faced criticism for being selfish and combative, is now being praised as the most stable Slayton sibling, a remarkable reversal that speaks volumes about how far she's come. The timing of it all couldn't have been worse. Just days after Tammy's recovery update went viral, showcasing her first time walking without assistance post-surgery, TMZ and other outlets broke the story about Amy's arrest. The coverage quickly spiraled, with gossip sites publishing detailed reports of court documents, alleged drug types, and even speculation about which family member might step in to care for the boys. Some even suggested Tammy, despite her own challenges, could become a temporary guardian, a claim T hasn't been confirmed but stirred massive debate online. The fandom is now divided. Some sympathize with Amy, pointing to the overwhelming stress of single motherhood, body image struggles, and public pressure. Others argue that regardless of what she's going through, her actions were reckless and unfair to Tammy, who needed this time to heal and be celebrated. One Reddit comment summarized the sentiment perfectly. I feel for Amy, but let's be real, Tammy deserved to have her win without it being drowned. She earned this. Whether TLC can untangle this messy web and give Tammy her rightful spotlight remains to be seen. As for Tammy, her journey continues. Despite the emotional blow of having her success overshadowed, she has not given up. Close friends say she is channeling her frustration into staying focused on her health. Rumors are swirling that she is already planning a second procedure, possibly a body lift or thigh contouring, depending on how her skin heals. There's even talk of a potential partnership with a body positivity brand, which would allow her to use her platform for advocacy and empowerment, but she still has an uphill battle. Emotional setbacks like these can have deep impacts on someone's recovery, especially for someone with a history of depression and food addiction. Fans are now urging TLC to step in and give Tammy the special episode or documentary she deserves, a focused tribute to her victory, untouched by scandal or sibling drama. Tammy Slayton's story was always meant to inspire. From a woman once trapped in a hospital bed, weighing over 700 pounds, to someone proudly showing off post-surgery glow, it's the kind of transformation reality TV rarely captures in such raw, human terms. It's heartbreaking that just as she reached the peak of her personal victory, external chaos from her own family threatened to steal it all away. For now, Tammy remains silent on Amy's situation. But if her history is any indication, she won't let the chaos define her story. Fans are still rooting for her, still cheering for every step forward. They just hope the world will take a moment to stop focusing on scandal and finally celebrate a woman who clawed her way back from the brink of death to live again. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.